So we've had a big windstorm last week. I think today's July 5th, 2/26. And quite a bit of damage with these two trees here. I've already cut a lot of the brush up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here, right here, and over there. And I'll cut right down there and up over there. So we'll drop those two into the water and we'll cut these up into pieces. Now over here we'll get all this branches and twigs out of here. We'll get them over there to that fire there. We'll burn it up. And over here, I'm thinking I'm going to cut probably right there, right there. Cut it right there, and there, and rope it. Rope it on either here, probably rope it here, and then pull the ends up, and just cut them into 16-inch pieces. But as I say, it's quite a mess. I'll take you down to where the tree fell. This windstorm, there's more and more all the time. So here's where the tree come down, right there. So as that tree fell, it get caught on this tree. This is a maple here, and it took that too. See, that's why there's two pieces, eh? So, I'll use it for firewood. That's poplar, right here, and that's red maple. I'll use it for firewood, but I've got my job cut out for me for sure, because it's going to be tricky. Well, that's it today from the Woodsman. Wish me luck.